Looking for home design inspiration? You're in the right place. Seriously, you guys, I just found the most mind-blowing kitchen and I immediately thought of you. This isn't just a kitchen, it's a whole mood. It's Modern Tudor Organic, and honestly, it's a game changer. Wow, the contrast in here is just insane. We're talking dramatic, deep charcoal cabinets everywhere, but they aren't boring black. They have this moody, refined slate gray vibe. And then, bam, the island hits you. It's made of this gorgeous, warm, natural oak. It totally grounds the space, right? Look at this monster of an island. It's easily 8 feet long, perfect for throwing those big parties we keep planning. I love how they kept the perimeter counters dark too, with this super chic veined black stone. And can we talk about the ceiling? It's easily 10 feet high, which feels so grand. And they topped it off with this massive rough-hewn wood beam. That's the organic coming through. You know how most kitchens feel either super cluttered or super boring? This solves all those dramas. The full-height cabinetry, wedging nearly 9 feet 6, hides everything away, so it stays crisp and clean. Plus, that black subway tile backsplash, it gives so much texture and edge. It keeps the traditional Tudor elements feeling fresh and totally now. This room is beautiful, but I've saved the best part for last. Follow me.